we're talking about the song Sing a Simple Song by Sly and the Family Stone. It goes a little like this. I think this is a little fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'm going to show you at a much lower tempo. Let's do it about 65. Now look at the right hand. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's all I'm going to show you. I'm going to do it half as fast as that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so one more time with this slowly. 3, 4, and. So you're raking with this fast. Whoops, sorry. So I'm going like this.